Amsterdam, drunk off vibe. London, England, drunk off vibe. Hit the States and we drunk off vibe. Pretty girl, broke off wine. Flex in a babe, skirt in a rave. While y'all in my face, you don't know my name. Drop down, the whole place shut down. Hey, drop down, so much love now. Hey.
What is up, D5D? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications. Today's Sunday, and all day today I was literally online, on Pinterest, on YouTube, Googling, doing everything I can to research how to do a cut crease. I just see these beautiful looks like with these cut creases, and I'm not even a makeup person as it is. Like, I've got one palette. I've got a Morphe palette, which I'm gonna be using for this look. I got a Morphe palette just for the hype of having a Morphe palette, and I don't even use it. And I'm so careless with it. Like, I dropped it, some colors done came out. Like, I dropped it and lost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 colors came out when I dropped it. So, alright. So I've already washed my face. I don't have any makeup on my face, and I'm going to take this makeup brush, and this makeup brush is from Target. It's one of those Sonia brushes. This is like just an angled eyebrow brush, and I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera. And then to do my eyebrows, I'm going to be using this, and no, this is not Anastasia Beverly Hills, bitch. This is actually from e.l.f., and this is in color medium brown. This is the Lock One Liner and Brow Cream. Back, and I just did my eyebrows very quickly off camera, and I'm gonna go in right now with this Ulta Beauty. So this is like the generic brand, Ulta Beauty Nude Matte Eyeshadow Primer. The eyelids have been primed. So I'm trying to figure out right now, like, what kind of color, what do I want to do? I don't even know, like, what I want to do. So this is the Morphe palette that I will be using. This is Morphe 25C, the Hey Girl, Hey palette. It looks like it's been used a lot, but it really hasn't. And I dropped it, and I'm missing 9 colors out of it. So this is what we have to choose from. So we're going to do this hot pink color mixed with this burgundy color mixed with silver. That's what we're going to do. I'm gonna take this darker color. This color is called Lucy, and I'm gonna apply some of this to the crease. So it looks fucked up, doesn't it? I'm gonna take this e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush, and I'm gonna try to like clean it up a little bit, at least blend some of it out. I just went with a makeup wipe and tried to clean it up a little bit. Dude, okay, so I'm gonna go in with this lighter pink color, and this pink color is called Summer. That is this kind of hot pink right here. So let me just put some of that. We're gonna go above. Oh. This looks fucking terrible. Primer, and you're gonna go over your flappy eye. So this is the part where I take this glitter shit and put it on top, I guess. I'm like giving up already. This just looks awful. Like, I cannot do makeup. I be trying to get into doing makeup because, you know, makeup is a thing right now, but it's just not me. I'm just not good at it. I feel like in order to be able to do makeup, you gotta be able to draw. Like, and I'm not able to draw. Look at this. It's terrible. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start the rest of my face, and maybe when everything's done, it'll look a little bit better. So I'm gonna use my foundation now. This is Studio Fix Fluid in color NC40. So I'm gonna use this baking powder, and this is by a brand called Revolution. I got this from Ulta, and this is that like setting slash banana powder. It's part of the process, okay? It's part of the process. It's supposed to look like this before it starts looking right, I guess. I don't know. bullshit. It's me. I'm not a makeup artist or nothing, but this is some contour powder shit. I'm sure it's some cheap ass shit, maybe Elf, but I'm about to use it. Don't know what I'm doing, but I'm sure we'll come up with something. Actually, my eyes don't look that bad anymore. Like, what do y'all think? Maybe it'll look better once I finish. Oh my god, I just know what the fuck I'm doing. Because, oh well, hello contour. Oh, I messed up my makeup. Oh, so normally I will put on lashes, but I don't have any, so I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And we'll see if we can get some kind of something. And then for my lips, I'm gonna do something that's like a little bit nude, but still has like a little bit pigment of color. So I'm gonna use the Kylie Jenner Lip Kit lipstick, and this is color Dolce K. So this is the final look. Thank you all for watching this video. Thank you for watching me play my makeup. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and share the video. Thumbs up if you like it. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video.